Are you overwhelmed by the constant stream of bad news stories? This week we learned that news avoidance is at the highest level it has ever been in Ireland, with almost half of us actively trying to avoid the news. So today we're doing something a little bit different. We're asking you to share your good news with us, the moments you feel are worth celebrating, big or small. What's your good news?
We've just finished our A-level exams.
How are you feeling now that they're done?
I feel great, yeah.
Really a weight off of my chest.
Yeah, definitely.
You were saying you're from Belfast, are
Yeah,
you?
we are.
Yeah. So how has it felt at the minute with everything going on up there?
It's just like disrupting
tense.
everything. Like we just
Yeah.
want to celebrate like being done, and we're not able to like go out and do that kind of thing.
And
So-
all we see on our TikTok and our Instagram is people genuinely afraid of going outside and trying to enjoy themselves. It's really brought a downer on the summer, and it's so genuinely upsetting because it happens every single year. Like this, I think this is the third year in a row where they've had riots over the summer. So it is disappointing.
What would you like to see on the news?
The New York news at the minute with Mam Danny is really positive. I like seeing what's going on over there. It's been so joyful recently as well. Like Knicks have just won the NBA tournament, which is so cool, and everybody's just so happy over there compared to us. Like, I feel like I'm actually more in tune with that than I am to what's going on here.
I'm here and I'm healthy.
Brilliant.
That's my good news for the day.
Your health is your wealth.
Health is your wealth. And yeah, it's the most important thing that you can have. Every time you look in the news, you're seeing someone either somewhere's getting bombed, someone's getting killed, or, just you see more bad things than you see good.
Would you like to see more good news kind of filtering its way through?
I'd love to see it, but I don't think it'll happen. Bad news sells.
Yeah. And what else are you kind of happy about today?
Sun is shining. I'm here with Nathar and Sean from work, and we're having a great day.
Where are you working?
Sarah, just here.
Oh, nice. Did you get a good discount?
I've got 25% discount.
Nice. That's
But
awesome.
only for me. Only for me.
Tell me, what are you doing here today? Here you have some good news.
We have some great news here today. We're from St Michael's School in Chapelizod, and we have a group of school leavers here. They're completing their Goshka Bronze Award, which is the President's Award, and we're on our adventure journey today. So at the moment we're doing a scavenger hunt around Dublin city centre. We're finding some famous landmarks.
I love graduating. Then I saw all my friends and uncles and watching TV.
So what's your good news?
My good news is every day is a new challenge. Doesn't matter if it's rainy, doesn't matter if it's sunny, or every day is a new challenge, is a new day. We have a beautiful country like here, Ireland. I fell in love 15 years ago.
So guys, what's your good news today?
It's our first time in Ireland, really excited. Yeah, I've been planning this trip for a while and we're finally here and it's awesome. As an American myself, I feel the exact same doom and gloom in trying to separate myself a little bit from the things that, are harmful, or maybe looking at the news for good things that are happening, like good new technology, or focusing on what's good about my own life.
I think a big thing is community. Really being with your neighbors, being with people you love, being with people you care about. And I think one thing I envy about Ireland is it's like a walkable city. Everybody's so close, and it allows you to connect with so many different cultures, which is something that I feel like we're cut off in America. So I think to avoid a vicious news cycle, it's really just about putting your eggs in the right basket and identifying the communities you want to be a part of and working to better those.
My good news is that soon I'm going to be going to a summer camp for my dream college where I can apply to my dream college.
And what is your dream college?
Berklee College for Music.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And what do you think of the news at the moment? Generally, do you think it's a bit grim?
Really disheartening and sad as a young person, just seeing all the awful things and also feeling really stuck because I'm young and so I don't really have a say.
Experts say constantly doom scrolling through bad news stories can lead to anxiety and burnout. Hopefully, if you've stuck with this video, we've given you a reason to smile. And remember, if you have a good news story, we want to hear about it.
As they say, the old saying, the best things in life are free. A walk, a talk, and maybe a nod point. So to all these today, slán and have a good day.